Level up your game. Bestier's L-shaped desk with power outlets, the ultimate gamer's paradise. Transform your gaming experience with the Bestier Small Gaming Desk, a sleek and stylish workstation designed for serious gamers and home office warriors alike. This desk features a modern L-shaped design, maximizing corner space while providing ample room for your gaming setup. With dimensions of 31.5-inch depth by 42-inch width by 36-inch height, it fits perfectly in any office, dormitory, or bedroom. The carbon fiber black finish not only looks stunning but also enhances durability, making it a standout choice compared to other desks on the market. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a tidy gaming environment that inspires productivity. One of the standout features of this desk is its built-in power outlets. 4 AC outlets and 2 USB charging ports ensure that all your devices are powered up and ready to go. Whether you're charging your smartphone, gaming console, or laptop, this desk has got you covered. This convenience saves you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your game. With a rated power of 1,500 watts, you can trust that this desk can handle all your tech needs without breaking a sweat, making it an essential addition to any serious gamer's setup. The RGB LED lights underneath the monitor shelf add an immersive touch to your gaming environment. With 7 main colors and up to 20 dynamic modes, you can customize the ambience to match your mood or the game you're playing. This feature not only enhances your gaming experience but also brings a sense of ritual to your setup. Imagine transforming your room into a vibrant gaming paradise that reflects your unique style. Set the perfect atmosphere for late-night gaming sessions or casual streaming with ease and flair. Durability is key when choosing a gaming desk, and the Bestier desk excels in this area. Constructed from high-quality materials, including alloy steel and P2 particle board with an elegant carbon fiber texture, this desk is built to last. It's easy to clean and resistant to scratches, ensuring that it maintains its sleek appearance even after intense gaming sessions. With solid construction capable of supporting up to 25 pounds on its mesh panels, this desk is designed for longevity, making it a reliable choice for gamers who demand quality. Finally, assembly is a breeze with clear instructions provided. Even those with no prior experience can set it up in about 35 to 45 minutes. Bestier stands behind their product with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind for buyers. When you consider its affordability, tech-savvy features, and superior quality compared to competitors, the Bestier Small Gaming Desk is not just another piece of furniture, it's an investment in your gaming future. Elevate your gameplay and workspace today with this must-have desk that combines functionality and style seamlessly.